If you're trying to update to iOS 18 and keep seeing the unable to verify update error, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get you back on track. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for downloading updates. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is working fine, the next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Just press and hold the power button and swipe to power off. Another common reason for this error is insufficient storage. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then select iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough space for the update. At least 2 to 3 GB is recommended. If you have enough storage and your internet is stable, let's try updating again. Go back to Settings, tap on General, and then go to Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If you're still facing issues, you might want to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, tap on General again, scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Remember, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have those handy. And there you have it. This step should help you resolve the unable to verify update error. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.